Hello guys, Florentino Zuniga here. I'm just going to show you real quick how to create how to add an image on your Power Lead system back office. You're going to sign in, and first of all, make sure you create your background page on Canva. Go to Canva and look for Jamboard background, and then it's going to say Jamboard background. Click here where it says create blank. This is what it's gonna look like. You wanna upload your two images. I'm using two. I'm using this one with the car, and then I'm using this one with the background removed. And what I did, I made my background black on my picture, so it matches this page. Then this one, you save it as a JPEG. Save the picture as a JPEG. Then you're going to go to Google and search for Google Photos. If you don't have an account, create one. And then on Google Photos, upload the picture that you saved on your computer. Upload it here. Once you upload it, you'll be able to use it. And here, the way you get the link that you're going to need on Power Lead system, you're just going to right click on your picture and you're going to copy image address. You're going to copy the image address. What I usually do, I like to keep a page. And then I copy the address here. This is the address for that picture, which is a long code. And then we're gonna go to Power Lead system. Let me see where it is. Okay. And then we're gonna go to copy web pages. Actually, no, we're not going to go to copy web pages. We're going to go to create web pages. And with a custom template, one that uses an opt-in form or opt-in survey. And then here, I guess just choose. I would choose whichever one, but for this case, let's just use this one. Let's choose this second one. Now we're gonna call it training page. Training page, how to add a background, BG background. And here, do not assign a domain yet. Keep that empty. Don't add a domain there yet. And then here, make sure you click here where it says add opt-in leads to Power Lead system. Or if you're using Aweber, you can click here. Click it like that. But I'm not using it. But if you want to use it, you can click on it and then choose your list from here, whichever list you want your leads to go. For me, it would be this one if I send it to Aweber. I would choose this one, but I'm not going to choose it because I'm not using it on this study or in this page. Let me disappear. You're going to scroll down here where it says if the web page is using a survey opt-in form, when using a domain above, choose which page is shown after the survey is taken. After they give you their email, here look for we're going to do this one for the Cash Neo funnel. So you want to do the Cash Neo funnel step 1 SP1. That's going to take us to Frank Calabro doing the selling and telling for us on his Cash Neo funnel setup page. And then here, I'm going to say how to make 100K a year, $1 to start. That's all I'm going to say there. And then I'm going to say save changes to web page. And then here, yeah, we're just going to keep the current background. And once we're here, this is what the page looks like. When you're here, you're going to click on source. You're going to click on your computer if you're using Windows, which is what I'm using. If you have a Mac, I don't know how you do it. You have to do it on Mac because I'm not a Mac user. But you're going to click CTRL F. And I already typed it. You're going to look for JPG. It says that we have one JPG, which is the background. There's the background. Let me see, JPG. As you can see here, it says BG. BG means background. You're gonna copy your image address from here, from JPG to here to HTTP. Again, you can go to your Google Photos, use the background that you chose. You're going to right click and then copy image address, and you're gonna go back to this page and leave the semicolons up there. Just copy from JPG and then all the way to HTTP, and there you're gonna do Control V, which is copy, and then source, and boom, we have our we have our background. And then from here you're gonna click Save Changes, and here you're gonna click on View Web Page. And from here you're gonna click on your on the link to take you to see the page. And that's what the page looks like, guys. That's what the page is going to look like. I didn't change this because most of you already know you can change it easy. Well, I'll show you how to change it real quick. We'll do it super quick. We're back at the where we can edit text, edit text. And let me see if I have a, actually let's look for a Casino Funnel landing page. This is the other page that I created, but it's as simple as this, guys. All you gotta do is just copy the text. Control C is copy. You can come back to your landing page, highlight all the text, Control, and then Control V. And that's all your text on the page. So here we're gonna delete phone number, and I mean, you can leave it like that. You can leave it as okay. You can leave it like that. Don't change anything else. Save changes. And then if we go back to the page and refresh it, now this is the page that we have. Cash nail funnel, make 100,000 per year, only one per year only, and start today for only $1. Which looks weird because we need to align the text. The text looks all screwed up. So we're gonna highlight this and we're gonna make the font smaller. We're gonna make it a 36. Okay. Actually, let me. Okay. Let's see if this looks better. Save changes. Go back to the page. And that looks a lot better. Cash nail funnel, make 100,000 per year online, and start today for only $1. Even you can screw this up. Enter your email, enter your best email, and then get instant access. Of course, it's asking me for my email, but I'm not gonna add the email. Because if you set it up correctly, well, since I'm not using a domain on this other one, that's why it's not working. But since on this other page that I made, I already used a domain, it already knows that I already opted into that domain. So whenever they enter their email and their name and email, they're gonna go straight to this page for Frank Calabro. And once they enter here, pretty much they got it. It's set up. So that's it, guys. That's how you enter a image. That's how you enter your image on your capture page. You're gonna click sources. You're gonna do CTRL F, and then you're gonna look for JPEG. Now that I enter my own image, it doesn't say JPEG anymore because we got rid of the old background. But if you look on the text, just look for this. Once you find VG, the next after you go to SRC, which is search, and then you find the HTTPS, that's the link for your picture, that's the link for the picture that you are using. So in this case, it would be all of these HTTPS and then Google user content. And then again, like it's a super long code. But once you enter your code, you don't have to do anything. Everything is already done. And then you just save changes, and then you refresh your page, and that's it. That's how you get your background picture on your computer. I'm not gonna make a detail of how I created the image. You should take your time and learn how to do that too, because it takes a lot of time to do it, to learn all of that. But just create your image on Canva. Again, on Canva, when you go to Canva, all you gotta do is look for Jamboard background. That's gonna be the size that you need for your capture page. And then you're gonna create a blank Jamboard background, and then here you're gonna add a picture, whatever picture you want to use on the background. I suggest you use a black background, or whatever color you use your background. Make sure your picture, this picture, make sure you remove your background using this, remove that BG. Make sure you match it to your picture you're gonna use for your background. And once you create your background, save it to your computer as a JPEG, JPG, and then upload it to your Google Photos. And when you're on Google Photos, you're gonna right click, you're gonna copy image address, and you're gonna go to your PowerLead system. And once you get to edit text, you're gonna come here to source, you're gonna click on source, you're gonna click CTRL F, search for JPG. You're gonna see it down here that is highlighted, and then just copy between the semicolons. This is BG, and you're gonna copy from back here wherever you find the JPEG. You're gonna highlight JPEG or JPG, and you're gonna highlight it back. You're gonna highlight everything back until you get to this HTTPS, and then there you're gonna CTRL V so you can copy your code on your page. And once you're here, you're gonna save changes, and you're gonna click here where it says view your web page. When you get to this other page, just click on this link on the bottom, and it's gonna take you to your page that you just created. And that's how simple it is, guys. I made this video a little bit extra long, but guys, if you appreciate the content. If you appreciate the help, go ahead and subscribe to the channel. Give me a like, give me a share, comment, help my channel grow. If this is helpful for you guys, this is how you add a custom background image on Power Lead System capture pages. With that being said, guys, God bless you all. Have a great day.